Hey guys, Taiga here, and a couple weeks ago I showed you guys some few tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Spotify experience, and you guys seem to love that video. And that video was actually cut in half because I had to cut out all of the other stuff to compress the video long enough to just around 5 minutes. So this is pretty much the part 2 of getting the most out of your Spotify experience, and it's arguably better than the first video. So without further ado, let's get started. Now this first feature is pretty unique in that you're going to be using the IFTTT app alongside with Spotify. If you don't know what IFTTT is, it stands for if this, then that. It's an awesome app and it allows you to essentially connect commands through multiple applications. And this isn't only with Spotify, it offers a bunch of other apps like Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, etc. But anyways, one of the commands you can actually use is that you can add Spotify songs from your liked YouTube videos. So for example, I love this Logic's new music video, and honestly, Confessions of a Dangerous Mind is my favorite song by far in 2019 by a long shot. And by the way, who do you guys listen to the most nowadays? I'm actually really curious, but yeah. Anyways, so if you just want to quickly add this to Spotify automatically, I can just hit like on this YouTube video and the IFTTT command will automatically run in the background and add it to your Spotify playlist. It does this without any effort at all, which is absolutely amazing and I love it. This is super useful when you find a song you like on YouTube, but you're lazy to go into your phone, search the music up, and then add to your playlist, because now all you have to do is like the video and the song will automatically appear on your playlist on Spotify. Now, as you know, I love playlists, and having playlists is awesome and definitely the best part of Spotify in my opinion, but sometimes you can be an idiot and delete a playlist on accident. All of your hard work and hundreds of songs gone, but there's a really simple way of getting the playlist back, and that's just by going to Spotify website online, and once you go into your account, you have to go to your Recover Deleted Playlist tab, and boom, your playlist should be there, and all you have to do now is click restore and it's back onto your Spotify account. It's a big lifesaver. So Spotify has over 35 million songs in their servers, but I'm sure there were times where you came across songs on YouTube or SoundCloud that you absolutely love, but it's not available on Spotify. Well, there's actually an easy solution to that, and it's that Spotify allows users to import local files. So all you have to do is quickly go to your account settings on your Spotify desktop, and when you scroll down, you'll see a section called the local files. You will want to have that turned on, and from there you could click the add source button, and boom, from there you could choose to import any .mp3, .m4p or .mp4 files. Just to make a quick example, I'm going to just import all of my background music files, and pretty much in an instant they're imported. Then you just go to the side and click local files, and your imported songs should be there, which is awesome and could be so useful for many of you guys. Now the next trick is also on desktop, and that is dragging multiple tracks at once. I was extremely stupid for a long time because before I started up to divide my playlist into seasons, I just had one huge bangers playlist, and when I was creating these new ones, I was just moving each song one by one by clicking the 3 dots and moving to playlist and all of that for hundreds of songs, and that is a really long and annoying process. So this would have saved so much time. So what you can do is that you can just click and drag the song to a different location. That's it. It's dead simple. And if you want to drag multiple tracks at once, you just have to hold Command or Control on your desktop and then click each song individually, and now you can bulk transfer. Or if you want to transfer all these songs at once, just hit Command or Control A and that will select everything. Super useful when you're moving songs in bulk. So this last one is a Spotify Premium only feature, I think, and it's that you can actually control the music on other devices. So for example, if you have both your desktop and your phone connected to Spotify, then you can control the laptop's music from your phone and vice versa. Just simply go to your devices available and it should just pop up from there, and from now on you can play, pause, skip any song, control the volume and everything. Your phone essentially becomes a remote control, which is awesome when you're lazy in bed and don't want to get up to your desktop to control your music. And I have my Google Home Mini connected to my Spotify as well, and I can use my phone to control that as well. But to be frank, the Google Home Mini speaker is quite ass, so I just rarely use that. Well, that's basically it, guys. Those were 5 additional tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Spotify experience. If you learned something new, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more similar content like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.